Hello fun and student of class 9th. In this video we will discuss the northern plain. The physical division of India we were discussing. In that we will discuss the northern plains. See in this map, this is your northern plain. The northern plain of India are located towards the south of the Himalayan mountains and to the north of peninsular India. This is the location of it, northern plain. This plain is a depositional plain formed by the alluvial deposit brought down by the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra river and their numerous tributaries. So these are formed by the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. This is the largest alluvial tract in the world. This plain are the largest alluvial tract in the world and it is stretched for about 2,400 kilometers. This is the stretch of it. Its width varies between 240 km to 320 km. This is the variation in the width of the northern plain. Now, the northern plain of India can be broadly divided into three main regions, and these regions are the Punjab plain, the Ganga plain and the Brahmaputra plain. So first take it, the Punjab plain. The Punjab plain is the western part of the northern plains and its major part is in the Pakistan. And the Punjab plain has been formed due to the depositional work done by which rivers? Indus rivers and its tributaries such as Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. These are the tributaries of the Indus river. So this is all about your Punjab plain. Next, this is the Ganga plain. This Ganga plain is the largest unit of the northern plain in India and it stretches from Delhi to Kolkata and lies in the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The Ganga plain extends from Yamuna river in the west to the western border of Bangladesh and cover a distance of about 1,400 kilometers. So this is all about Ganga plain. Next is the Brahmaputra plain. This is also known as the Assam Valley or Assam plain. This is the easternmost part of the northern plains of India and this plain is about 720 km long and about 80 km wide. So this is all about the three types of plain of northern plain, that is Punjab plain, Ganga plain and Brahmaputra plain. Now there is a tendency among geographers to treat the northern plain of India as flat and featureless, but it is not correct. Some diverse relief feature can also be found, and according to the nature of relief feature and soil structure, on which ground? Relief feature and soil structure, these northern plain can be divided into following four regions. The three important division that we have studied, Punjab plain, Ganga plain and Brahmaputra plain, is not according to the relief feature and soil structure. According to the relief feature and soil structure, this can also be further divided into four regions. What are those four regions? The Bhabar, the Terai, the Bhangar and the Khadar. So let's first take is Bhabar. The Bhabar is a narrow belt which lies along the foot of the Shivalak hill from the Indus river to the Teesta river, and this belt is about 8 to 16 km. And this region is not fit for the agriculture and only big trees with large roots can thrive in this belt. So this is your Bhabar. Next is the Terai. The Terai region is toward the south of Bhabar and run almost parallel to it. And the Terai belt is about 15 to 30 km wide. This region is very damp and has thick forest full of wildlife. And most of the marshland in Terai, where it is found, that is Punjab, Uttaranchal and Uttar Pradesh. Now Uttaranchal is not there, is Uttarakhand. So this is your Terai belt. In next video we will discuss the Bhangar and Khadar and other topics. So thank you student, thank you very much.